Quebec's Housing Tribunal has struck down a no-pet clause in a tenant's lease, saying it violates Quebec's Charter of Rights. The SPCA says it's a major win for tenants with dogs and cats, while landlords say they will need to find other tools to protect their assets. M. Desjardins is relieved they can keep their dog Paul at home.
I'm really happy that this guy's going to be staying with me and also that I'm going to be staying home.
In 2022, Desjardins' landlord asked to end their lease because pets weren't allowed in the unit. But in a March 12 decision, the Quebec Housing Tribunal concluded the no-pet clause was unreasonable, abusive, and went against the Quebec Charter of Rights.
This is something that the judge recognized, and she said point blank that animals are now family members. And so no pet clauses essentially come down to a landlord dictating to a tenant how the composition of their family.
The tribunal's decision does not invalidate all no-pet clauses in leases, but it will make it easier for other tenants to challenge those clauses before the tribunal.
This decision, even though technically it's confined to the specific case and the specific lease, the reasoning, when you look at it closely, is very broad and applies to essentially anyone who considers their animal to be a family member.
Desjardins' lawyer adds that landlords already have other options if they want to get rid of an irresponsible pet owner.
This is why the judge said, there are many things and tools that allows a landlord to be able to seek an application to cancel the lease, whether or not there's a clause.
Quebec's Landlord Association argued that if pets are allowed, then security deposits should be too.
We need to make sure that we have a pet owner that is responsible and is taking proper care of his pets. And for that, we see that there is a security deposit that should be able to be asked. And it's not the case at the present time.
The Office of Quebec's Housing Minister, Caroline Proulx, reacted to the decision, saying it could be appealed and that she's aware that there are people with animals who have challenges finding housing.